woke up feeling like I could run a marathon. So I thought I would make the most of this rare burst of energy. Because let's be real, between the pre-period mood swings and the during period mood swings, we are basically left with a solid 1 week window where we can actually feel normal. And even that is questionable. So while my hormones are giving me a temporary hall pass, let's make some yummy breakfast. I'm making a sandwich today. I'm adding finely chopped onion, tomato and grated carrot because healthy, mayonnaise, the free one from last night's food order because we don't waste blessings, and a paste I made by blending paneer because protein, 2 cloves of garlic for flavor, 2 small cubes of cheese because self-care, and the basics, salt, pepper, oregano and chili flakes. Mix, 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 slather it nicely on the slice of bread, slap another slice on top, add butter because life is short, and toast it until it looks golden promising, unlike my portfolio. This is my first time trying this, so either I have just invented a gourmet delight or I'm about to learn a very humbling life lesson. I'm about to enjoy my sandwich while watching Big Little Lies. Because what pairs better with a toasty bite than rich people problems and murder mysteries? This show is old, but I only recently discovered it. A show about wealth, wine and wildly suspicious PTA moms. I started watching it purely because of Reese Witherspoon, since Legally Blonde made me believe I can do anything in my life. The show is peak drama, but in the best way possible. Disclaimer, do not watch if physical abuse is triggering for you because some parts are intense. But watch it if you're here for the tea and the chaos. It's been over a year since I last got my sewing machine serviced. So I finally called the Usha service center because my baby deserves some spa time. Technically, you don't need to service your machine for the first 3 years if you oil it regularly. But guess who forgets to do that? Yes, it's me. Also, have you ever seen the sewing machine like this? I mean, the inside of it? It looks so complicated, just like my mind. Also, the amount of dust that is settled is insane. And on top of that, my bobbin winder was broken, so I had to get that fixed too. Always tell the service person about every issue beforehand so they can bring the right spare parts. But now, she is back. Cleaned, oiled, fixed and ready to roll. Just look at her go. I swear, the way this machine is running, I might start sewing so fast, like it's Fast and Furious Taylor Drift edition. Remember that fabric haul I did recently? Well, I'm finally putting it to good use instead of hoarding it like it's fine china. I'm making a simple summer dress because Bangalore's weather is making me so sweaty. Even the thought of wearing pants feels like a personal attack. Instead of drafting a fresh pattern like a responsible sewist, I'm taking the shortcut. I already have a dress that I made ages ago which fits like a dream, so why reinvent the wheel when I can just copy paste? Step 1. Cut out the lining, aka the inner support system, which is optional but highly recommended. Step 2. Place the lining on the main fabric and cut that out. Step 3. With the leftover fabric, I cut out straps which are 3 inches wide and 11 inches long, ensuring I used up every last bit of fabric. #SustainableQueen. Take the straps, fold them, sew along the edge and then wrestle them inside out. Once successfully flipped, boom, straps are ready. Now take the main fabric and place it on top of the lining with right sides facing each other. Basically, let them hug it out before they get stitched together for life. Carefully sandwich the straps in between, making sure you leave 1 cm margin on the edges for sewing. Pin everything up and sew the armholes and neckline, securing everything in place. Grab your scissors and snip along the curves, not too much though. Now for the moment of truth, turn the whole thing inside out. Now give it a good press. Don't underestimate this step. I know ironing feels like an optional step, but trust me, it makes a huge difference. Now that the front is ready, position the straps on the back lining as shown. Now gently lay the main fabric on top and secure everything with pins. At this point, your dress is officially a fabric sandwich. Lining, straps and main fabric all layered up like a fancy gourmet burger. Now just like before, sew along the armholes and neckline, making sure everything stays in place. Turn it inside out and admire your creation, because at this point it almost looks like a dress. But guess what? We are 2 steps away from victory, which means it's the perfect time to abandon the project and have lunch. So I'm off to make some fried rice. It's a basic one, nothing fancy, so I won't bore you with details. Just sit back, enjoy the chaotic but oddly satisfying cooking visuals, and let's vibe to a dreamy song while we pretend we are living a slow life.
I've been acting like a wild man, sleeping like a child. You're so luminous and vibrant. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for so many times I've stranded, a castaway on unknown shore, although a stranger in this continent. I'm always in bloom for you. Always in bloom. Always in bloom for you. Infatuated light, although it hurts me to be with you, I'm always in bloom for you.
The new episode of Real Housewives of Beverly Hills dropped, so obviously I paused the series to watch the drama unfold. The tea was so hot, the drama was piping, and my food gone in 10 minutes. Highly recommend pairing reality TV with a good meal. Back to sewing. Now all that is left to do is sew both the sides, and finally the last step is to double fold the edges and sew them down. And just like that, we are done. This dress is about to be a staple in my wardrobe. I can throw on a jeans jacket for a casual vibes, a blazer to pretend I have my life together, or a cardigan to look cute and cozy. Basically, I can style it in n number of ways, where n is my mood swings. Just like that, it's evening. Time to sip some coffee and pretend I have my life together while watching the sunset. The best part of our home, we get front row seats to a gorgeous sunset every single day from our balcony. A free sunset therapy session every day.